In this pop-up PD, we're going to take a look at Google Translate. Google Translate is a Chrome extension that you can add to your Chromebook or your desktop or laptop. To find the Chrome extension, you will just hit the New Tab button and go to the App Store for Google. Find the Web Store, and you're going to search for Google Translate. Search, and you're looking for the official Google Translate option. And then I've already have mine installed, but yours will say install Chrome extension. So you'll click on that. And it's going to go through the process of installing this little icon here on your toolbar at the top. Now, why is this important? When you are inside of Schoology and you want to translate something on your page, if you click on Google Translate and you select Translate Page, it will set the default language to Spanish or English. You can set whatever language you want. They have a bunch of different languages here, okay? And you'll notice now that my page is been converted to Spanish. Now, of course, you take this with kind of a grain of salt as far as the translation goes, but at least it's a start, right? Now, there are some other options that you have inside of Google Translate. One I like to turn on when you click on this little icon, there's extension options. If you click on that, you can select your primary language. So if you have the bulk of your students from a specific country, you might want to try that. The options that you have are to display an icon that you can click to show a pop-up to translate something. So I'm going to show you that one first. And then the second one is immediately display a pop-up, which is really nice, especially if you are in your live Zooms and you need to create those accommodations on the fly. So let's do this one first. When you come over to I'm going to change it back to English. That option where you have a pop-up is if you highlight anything on your page, you will get this little tiny icon that pops up. When I click on it, it'll immediately translate that text into a Spanish option, okay? The other option that I like is immediately display a pop-up. So if I click Save, then I return to my Schoology page. If I want this entire paragraph translated for my students, I can click on it and it will immediately pop up. I don't have to do anything else. So I can just copy this translation and paste it into another document, making it really easy to create those accommodations for your students.